Hello and a warm welcome. This is the WarcryReporter. Battle reports to listen to. The Meatgrinder Incident. After a great speech of Wigout about how and why the Bugman's regulars came to be, the members of the warband are motivated again. Thongil would have wanted them to go on and lead a good life with good fights and many glories and treasure, of course. So they set out again. Eric and Gent heard of traders going through one narrow path close by. It is one of the few relatively safe ways through Gur. So Wigout decided to make it even safer and collect taxes for it. A roar can be heard. The Bugmans look at each other and almost in unison they whisper, "Karza." But who is he fighting? They move closer and they can see the 7 cooks fighting the Senan clan. No more alliance, obviously. The Bugmans join the fight. This opportunity to give the 7 cooks a good beating cannot be missed. Maybe the Senan clan has the same opinion. But as soon as the Bugmans join the fight, one of the Rocktusk prowlers, Emlava, attacks. Coming so close, they can see why they are fighting. There's an artifact in the middle of the battlefield. Karza is fighting Oscar, the Troggoth. Helden disengages with a well-trained move from her, and hell breaks loose on Emlava. Helden, Snuffout and Wigout shoot and smash at her. But she is holding on well and stands her ground, until Humral Tauro joins the fight too. And Oscar did let go of Karza just to grab and squeeze Helbert. He smashes the Gronstok Thunderer into the ground and steps on him. Oh, damn, he remembered that. The Bugmans form the Skypiker Palisade. Odo, Tasha and Tuvok join together, and as well trained as they are, they move forward, crushing Emlava first and then even Humral Taur. Wigout is too eager to make good use of his Stormhammer and gets into a fight with Karza and Oscar. Of course, that is not good. His bodyguards are doing the best that they can, but Wigout goes down. The Skypiker Palisade can't do anything. Tasha and Udo cover the unconscious Wigout. They call for Gent already. Helden gets grabbed, squeezed and stomped by Oscar. Oh my. The cracks I heard were not just armor. Udo, Tasha and Tuvok managed to take down Karza just after he managed to take down the Troggoth. Oh, this is a meat grinder. The rest of the Bugman's regulars is also doing what they can to reduce the enemies coming at the Skypiker Palisade. But still more are coming. The Senan clan is sending in their plains runners, and Matijek and Snickers of the 7 cooks are coming closer too. Tasha breaks from the formation and attacks one of the plains runners. Udo breaks away to intercept the 7 cooks. That was for sure not a good idea. Tasha is facing now Snickers, Matijek, a plains runner and one of the Gnoblers. Rofu jumps forward to support him, but that one comes too late. Tasha becomes another victim of Matijek. After this, the Bugman's regulars and the Senan clan retreat. The 7 cooks take the artifact and run off. The Bugman's regulars again light a pyre. This time Helden and Tasha burn. Wigout is still unconscious. A gut wound might have killed him without the quick intervention of Gent. The Bugmans say their goodbyes to their friends. And with a roar of anger, Wigout wakes up. He's furious and desperate. All the Bugman's regulars decide together that they will follow the 7 cooks and try to spoil everything they attempt to do. Let's give them hell.